The CES 2025 is upon us, and I'm so happy to tell you that Team MRTV with Marco and me are there on the show floor to check out all these exciting XR headsets for you. So we're going to check out the Pimax Crystal Super. So finally we're going to find out, is this the headset that VR enthusiasts have been waiting for? So that is going to be cool. Then, of course, the Meganex Superlight 8K. Did anything change? Did it become brighter? Is it still as good as I remember it from Tokyo 2024 in October when I went there? We're going to find out. We're going to find other headsets that nobody knew before. We're going to check out the latest X-Reels, Row-Kits, Ray Neos, and so on and so forth. And there will be some Android XR surprises, I believe. So that's going to be pretty amazing. Also, we're going to check out accessories, like for example, the free aim shoes that allow you to walk in VR. I'm very excited to finally try them out, and we're going to make so many videos. So in this video, I simply want to let you know how to best follow our coverage of CES 2025. So of course you should subscribe to this channel here. Probably you are already subscribed, but there's going to be more. You should absolutely follow MRTV on X. And it's at Mixed Reality TV, and also on Insta, also at Mixed Reality TV. And I'm going to post some stories there and some pictures and give you just some background information about what we do. But the best behind the scenes coverage, you're going to get it on the MRTV Discord server. Yes, interestingly. So simply go there, the link is down in the description of this video, and find the CES 2025 channel. There you can directly interact with us. Let us know if you want us to check out some booth or whatever. And if you are yourself some XR exhibitor there, you can also go there and tell us, hey, come here, we have a cold beer for you. So go there now. The link is down in the description of this video. So yeah, the Discord server is fantastic, a wonderful community, and go to the CES 2025 channel. Yeah, basically that's it. It's only a small video. Just want to let you know that you should follow us, and then we're going to go there. And if you have some ideas about some booths that we have to see for sure, do let me know in the comment section, or directly go to the MRTV Discord server and find this special channel there. And that's it. So I'm going to fly from Taiwan to Las Vegas tomorrow, and my colleague Marco, he's going to fly from Germany to Las Vegas. We're going to meet, have a great time, and show you everything interesting that we see at CES 2025. So subscribe to this channel now and click on the bell button so that you don't miss anything, and give it a thumbs up, and I can't wait to report from Las Vegas. Until then, bye bye.